The ease of paying tax law has introduced four categories or classifications of taxpayer for the purpose of creating policies and procedures that better suit each categories, especially for micro and small taxpayers because they want to make it more simple for them to comply and to introduce reduced penalties for this category of micro and small taxpayers. There are four classification of taxpayers. There's micro, small, medium, and large. So let's discuss them one by one. First is micro taxpayer. To be considered micro taxpayer, your annual gross sales must not exceed 3 million pesos. Second is small taxpayer. To be considered small taxpayer, your annual gross sales must be from 3 million pesos to less than 20 million pesos. Third is medium taxpayer. To be considered medium, your annual gross sales must be between 20 million to less than 1 billion pesos. Lastly, fourth is the large taxpayer. To be considered large, your annual gross sales must exceed 1 billion pesos.